quiet castle so fine. When I heard a small bird singing high on a tree, and it seemed at the time she was singing to me. And I thought she sang, traveler, where have you come from? Have you been near a green, grassy place called the sun? Or in Flanders, far fields on that long, lonely plain, where they laid my young Ledbridge, my blackbird of slane. On wild Crocknahara the breezes blow free, and they hold many heartaches and memories for me. Oh, my prince and my poet, you perish in vain. My beautiful Francis, my blackbird of slane. All those words left unwritten, those songs left unsung, Dunsany's bright star from the heavens has gone, and the champion of champions most men like to be lies far from the fair hills and the moorlands of me. Oh, these are the woods and the waters below, and there lies its town on the hillside above. And around in each field, in each green country lane, beats the heart of my hero, my blackbird of slane. On wild Crocknahara the breezes blow free, and they hold many heartaches and memories for me. Oh, my prince and my poet, you always remain. My beautiful Francis, my blackbird of slane.